Hi, TR here. This video is going to be about the Instant Notifications assignment. Now, to access it, we're going to click on the content link in the navigation menu bar. That will open up all the pages, or the pages that you currently have access to. I'm going to click on Module 1, Introduction. I'm going to scroll down to Instant Notifications. Open that. And here's the page. Information for you to read. To make it worth your while, there's a 1% course mark, and to receive it, you need to take 3 screenshots showing that you've subscribed in all 3 images noted below. Now, 1% really doesn't do justice to how important the instant notifications are. For me to be able to communicate with you, for you to be able to understand that I am communicating with you, is it's priceless, really. It will save you a substantial amount of grief. Notice that I say that there's 3 parts or images that you need to submit. Here is the video. This is the old video, and I will be putting a new one up. So, in order to access this, you're going to go to your discussions. Note. Click on your discussions, and then when the discussions window is opened up, you will see subscriptions. Or you can do it here. I'm recommending you do it up here. I probably will change this at some point in the future. So once you have done that, once you have clicked on subscriptions, you are going to get this change your notification settings. This is the first image I want to see. In the display, I should see all subscriptions, and I need to see send me an instant notification. Previously, I found that if you select this, you will not receive the notification that something is going on, like I'm trying to contact you. If we scroll down, just remember this part right here. Emails will be sent to blah blah, change your notification settings. The next part, we're going to go to this display again, and instead of all subscriptions, you're going to click the down arrow, and you're going to find topic level subscriptions. Now, this might, depending on how quirky D2L is, take some time, or it might happen quickly. As far as I can see, that you have shown me here that topic level subscription has been selected, and you've clicked on apply. That image will be perfectly fine for me at this point. That's image number 2. If it works properly, if D2L is not being quirky, you will see this you should see it quickly. The third image is the notifications, the instant notifications. Now, to see this, right here where it says change your notification settings, some of you will have, all of you will have your CBE, EDU email, and lots of you don't use that. So use an email that you do use that you will check, or you can do it through texting, text on your phone, though it is apparently quite quirky and it's not always going to work. Anyways, this image, once you click on change your notification settings, you can change your email, and this is the image that I want you to be working on, or the area rather, the instant notifications. I want you to select when announcements are updated or a new announcement becomes available. I am considering strongly, and may this afternoon create my first weekly message. Discussions, I want that selected. Grades, grade item released, grade item updated. Sometimes students like to redo the assignments, and I'm happy to remark those. And then click Save at the bottom of the screen, and you want to take that image. Now, part B is the private discussions. I'm recommending that you just skip this. Now, at the very end, it says, now that you have read this content page and submitted the 3 images, the default notification, a topic level, and the individual instant notifications, I say here the module quiz link will be functional with a mark of 100%. So if you show me these 3 images with the correct item, that middle option selected, I will give you a mark of 100%. And when you receive this mark, then the Module 1 quiz will open for you. Please feel free to let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks, and have a great day. Bye now.